Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create your own stickers and then print it and use it as, for example, as merch or something that defines you. So we are going to use two websites. First one is Canva and the second one is Printful. So here in Canva we want to design our stickers. What we want to do is go and log in into your Canva, and once you are in here, we want to click on custom size, which is in your workspace. Here we can go with pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. Let's go with centimeters. Let's go 25 times 25, or if you into inches, it's like 10 times 10. But let's go like this and create a new design. Straight away, as we get into our project, we can see and start elements and step by step add the things that you really want to have on your sticker. Remember, we are going to put more elements into one sheet, so don't worry if you just have this whole page filled with stickers. So we go to elements in the left sidebar and find something that you really like. For example, I'm gonna go with skiing, and here we have a couple of let's go with photos or frames. What we have here, graphics. With graphics, and remember, if you see this little golden crown next to the picture or next to the graphic, you can't really use it unless you already paid for it. So first I'm gonna use these skis, for example. I owned similar ones. Then we can use like I don't know, there's a lot of premium ones. Let's go with this one. And remember, keep the space between those stickers, because you want to cut them off or cut them out once you're finished. So let's go and pick more of them, all of those that I like. For example, you want to put them on your van, or you want to put them on your car, maybe even on your skis. That's a really cool way to really be outstanding and stand out of the crowd. Something for the snowboarders, maybe. Just like that. You can also upload your own graphics. We are going to just fill it right now, just like that. As you can see, just keep more space between each and every graphics. You will use it, believe me. And this lift, and we should be done like this, and lift like this. So let's say this is our concept. This is what we want to print, and you see, you can change the color of the lift. For example, if you're more into purple, it can be purple lift. So you can really edit it. That's why I'm using Canva. That's why I chose Canva, because with the graphics that is already inside, already implemented, you can do tons and tons of stuff. So, okay, we are here. What do we want to do right now? So we have our stickers, we have everything we need. We can also add more pages. That's also cool. But then we hit the share, we hit the download option, and we can really pick on which type we want to download it. We can be PDF, PNG, or JPEG. So I'm gonna go with PNG. Obviously, size you can't really change, since we addressed the site or addressed the size straight away from the start. Then we have a couple of options for pros, and let's download it. So you see, Untitled Design is getting downloaded. and we're here. So first steps we managed to create or managed to pass. Then we want to go to printful.com. You can use different types of providers. I decided to use Printful. So right now, once you log in yet again, all you have to do is click on the search window or search engine and write down stickers. They are providing two options for you. One is Kiss Cut stickers and then the sheet. We are going with a sheet. It's 450. Okay. And as you can see, this is what they're offering. They have already size picked up. Then we can also, this is our country. Shipping starts at $349 and $450 is price for the design, excluding VAT, so it's 20%. So that's about another almost €1. So start designing. Here you can choose the file of design and then upload file. Yes, obviously you don't really want to get rid of terms and services. Okay, and let's go. Let's pick your project from Canva, and it's gonna take some time. As you can see, it's in here, and apply, and here we are. You see that our project is it doesn't really fit the A4, and you don't really want to pay for this extra sheet that you don't want to really use. So we can crop it like that. You can adjust it, and yeah, we can move it, but don't really. But I think that this one's default. You can transform it, obviously position and crop. If you're okay and you see that you'll be able to cut out all the necessary spaces, in this case this is maybe even better that the sheet is overlapping, and you know that you don't really have to change it, and you'll be very comfortable to just cutting those pieces out and then using them. Add it to the cart. So at the moment you can see that your product is already here. So that's great news. Continue to checkout, and then all you have to do is you can even edit the file and check the preview. So this is how it's going to look. And with those stickers, obviously the backside is glued, so you'll be able just to get rid of them and then apply them. All you have to do now is just click on continue shipping, write down your name, address, phone. Even though it's optional, I strongly recommend you filling it, and then calculate shipping, preview order, and you just bought yourself and created yourself the new stickers that are all yours. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.